Today I'm going to share with you what makes that popping or cracking noise when you pop your knuckles or get a chiropractic adjustment. Inside every single joint there are synovial fluid and gases. The fluid lubricates the joints and provides the nutrients they need. It also contains gases like oxygen. When a joint is adjusted by a chiropractor, or if you crack them yourself, that joint is stretched beyond the synovial fluid limit and gases are released, which makes that popping noise. It'll take a little time for the joint to fill back up with those gases before it can be done again. There's no breaking, no damage done to the joint when the popping happens. Some people are concerned about it. They may think the popping noise is a bad thing, or they may have some hesitation about it. But there's no harm to the joint. It's actually very good to stretch the joint just beyond its normal limit. The joint is going to have a better range of motion after the adjustment, and it will have fewer complications or problems in the future. It's a very simple procedure, but it has to be done very specifically. Make sure it's done by a professional who's been trained. We've had years of education on how to be specific with our types of treatment and how to not injure or hurt a person. If you found this useful, please share. If you know someone that likes to crack their own back or someone else's, share it with them too. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.